In this video, we will learn how to write straight strokes. The strokes begin by making a 45-degree angle with your brush pointed up and to the left, coming across to the right, slightly lifting your brush, and then pushing it back down to finish the stroke. The beginning part of the stroke should be 45 degrees, followed by a straight line, which then ends with you lifting the brush and then pushing it back down to finish the stroke. This section explains the direction that the brush is pointed throughout the stroke. And this is the completed product, written again. Ends with you lifting the brush and then pushing it back down to finish the stroke. Lifting the brush, followed by a straight line. The beginning part of the stroke should be 45 degrees. This last stroke is an example of a bad example, where the brush was not lifted at the end of the stroke. On vertical lines, the stroke begins with the brush pointed up and to the left, and then bringing the brush down, lifting the brush to finish the stroke. The top of the stroke should be 45 degrees, followed by a straight line down, lifting the brush to finish the stroke by pushing it back down. This section shows how the brush is pointed throughout the different parts of the stroke. We'll write a vertical stroke again using this method. Lifting the brush, followed by a straight line down. The top of the stroke should be 45 degrees. If you enjoy our videos, please support us by subscribing to our channel.